K101 Max Drone, professional dual HD camera drone with obstacle avoidance and foldable design. The K101 Max Drone is a feature-packed quadcopter designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. With its dual 4K HD cameras, 3-way obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning, this drone delivers stunning aerial photography and smooth, stable flights. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or exploring FPV, first-person view, flying, the K101 Max is your ultimate aerial companion. Key features: dual 4K HD cameras. Capture high-quality photos and videos with dual cameras that can be electrically adjusted 90 degrees via the remote control. 3-way obstacle avoidance. Fly confidently with front, left, and right obstacle detection, ensuring safe and collision-free flights. Optical flow positioning. Automatically hovers and maintains stable flight, even in windy conditions. Intelligent flight modes. One key takeoff and landing, simplifies operation for beginners. Headless mode, no need to adjust the drone's position before flying. 360 degrees roll and tumbling, perform impressive aerial stunts. Gravity sensor and track flight, control the drone by tilting your phone. Foldable and portable design. Compact and foldable, making it easy to carry and store. Long flight time and range. 1,800 mAh battery, provides up to 18 minutes of flight time. 200-meter control range, explore the skies with confidence. Aerial photography app. Use the app for advanced features like facial recognition, automatic photo capture, and real-time FPV streaming. Specifications. Model, K101 Max. Camera, dual 4K HD with 90 degrees adjustment. Motor, 716 hollow cup motor. Battery, 3.7V, 1,800 mAh, 60-minute charging time. Remote control, 2.4G, for channels, requires 3 AA batteries. Flight time, up to 18 minutes. Control range, 200 meters, no interference. Material, plastic, metal, electronic components. Color, black and gray. What's included? 1 K101 Max Drone. 1 remote control. 1 1,800 mAh battery. 1 USB charging cable. For protective covers. 1 screwdriver. For spare blades. 1 drone instructions. 1 app manual. 1 storage bag. 1 color box. Why choose the K101 Max Drone? The K101 Max Drone combines professional-grade features with user-friendly design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its dual 4K cameras and obstacle avoidance ensure stunning visuals and safe flights, while the foldable design and long battery life make it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether you're filming vlogs, exploring FPV, or mastering advanced flight modes, the K101 Max adapts to your creativity. Fly smarter, capture bolder, the K101 Max Drone redefines aerial excellence.